Welcome back. If you're joining me live or watching the replay, drop where you're watching from. I'm Betty Rose, founder of BBITS. Last week, we talked about preparing for tax season year-round. Today, we're diving into a question I get constantly. Should I become an S-Corp to save on taxes? The short answer, sometimes yes. Sometimes absolutely not. Let's break this down properly. A Schedule C is how sole proprietors report business income on their personal tax return. Explained clearly, it means you're filing with the 1040, no separate business tax return, profits subject to income tax plus self-employment tax, and it's a simple structure. Many small businesses operate perfectly fine on a Schedule C. An S-Corp is not a business type, it's a tax election. An S-Corp is a U.S. corporation that elects special tax status with the IRS to pass corporate income, losses, deductions, and credits through the shareholders, avoiding double taxation at the corporate level and allowing owners to report profit and losses on their personal returns. It simply means LLC or corporation can elect S status, business files its tax return on the Form 1120-S, and owner receives a salary with a W-2 at the end of the year. Remaining profit may avoid self-employment tax. The key thing here is that S-Corp savings come from payroll structure, not magic. The general guidelines, but not specific advice, include consistent profit, net income, typically over $50,000 or to $75,000, owner willing to run payroll, ability to justify reasonable salary, and long-term growth plans. S-Corp status is a strategy decision, not a trend. To know when not to file an S-Corp status, it would include low or inconsistent profit, no cash flow stability, not ready for payroll compliance, trying to avoid taxes without structure, and no bookkeeping system. An S-Corp without clean books creates bigger problems. Simply put, payroll costs, additional tax filing, state fees, compliance requirements, tax savings must outweigh administrative costs. If someone told you everyone should be an S-Corp, that's incorrect. The entity structure depends on the profit, cash flow, industry, long-term goals, compliance readiness. Put your questions in the comments. If you're considering switching to S-Corp status or want to know if it makes financial sense for your situation, I offer strategy consultations and tax planning. Book a free 15-minute consultation using the link below. Tomorrow, we're talking about tax write-offs, what you can deduct and what gets people in trouble. You don't want to miss this one. Don't forget to hit the like or subscribe button. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, strategy beats trends.